Hi friends, this is the question. In this VAB is given, VA is given, L1 is given to Henry, and we have to find M. Okay, so first of all, VAB is 70. It is equal to VA minus VB. VA is 100 volts. So VB is 100 minus 70. So VB is 30 volts. Okay, now apply KVL in this loop and then KVL in this loop. So first of all here, so VB is L di2 by dt plus M di by dt. Let I is the current here. So VB is 30. I2 is 0 because there open circuit, so this term will be 0, is equal to M di by dt. This is the first equation. Now apply here KVL. 100 is equal to L is 2 di by dt plus M di2 by dt. I2 is 0, so this term is 0. So di by dt is 100 by 2, so di by dt is 50. Put di by dt here in this equation, we will find M. So M is 30 by di by dt, that is 50. 30 by 50, that is equal to 0.6. So M is 0.6 Henry. Okay, thank you.